Are you struggling to increase your affiliate marketing revenue? Do you find it difficult to measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts? If so, you're not alone. Many affiliate marketers face these challenges and are left wondering how they can improve their strategies. The key lies in understanding and utilizing essential metrics that can provide valuable insights into your performance. By tracking these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement, optimize your campaigns, and ultimately boost your revenue. In this article, we will explore 5 essential affiliate marketing metrics that are crucial for success. Click-through rate, CTR. The click-through rate measures the percentage of people who click on your affiliate links compared to the total number of impressions or views they receive. A high CTR indicates that your audience is engaged with your content and interested in learning more about the products or services you promote. To increase CTR, focus on creating compelling call to actions, CTAs, that entice readers to click on your links. Experiment with different placement positions within your content and use eye-catching visuals or buttons to draw attention. Conversion rate. While getting clicks is important, what really matters is converting those clicks into sales or desired actions such as sign-ups or downloads. The conversion rate calculates the percentage of visitors who complete a specific action out of all those who clicked on an affiliate link. To improve conversion rates, ensure that the landing page where visitors are directed after clicking on an affiliate link is optimized for conversions. Make sure it loads quickly, has clear and concise information about the product, service being promoted, includes persuasive copywriting techniques like testimonials or social proof elements. Average order value, AOV. The average order value represents the average amount spent by customers each time they make a purchase through one of your affiliate links. Increasing AOV means maximizing each customer's spending potential while promoting affiliate products. To boost AOV, consider offering upsells or cross-sells on the product pages you promote. These can be complementary products that enhance the original purchase or higher-priced options with added benefits. Additionally, highlight any discounts or promotions available to encourage customers to spend more. Earnings per click, EPC. Earnings per click is a metric that measures the average amount of commission earned for each click generated through your affiliate links. It helps you understand which campaigns are most profitable and where you should focus your efforts. To increase EPC, carefully select high-converting affiliate programs and products with attractive commission rates. Analyze your past performance to identify which campaigns have yielded the highest earnings per click and replicate their success in future promotions. Return on investment, ROI. Return on investment is a crucial metric that evaluates the profitability of your marketing efforts by comparing the revenue generated from affiliate commissions against the costs incurred in running those campaigns, such as advertising expenses. To improve ROI, closely monitor and analyze your campaign expenses to ensure they align with your revenue goals. Consider testing different advertising channels or strategies to find what works best for your target audience while minimizing costs. In conclusion, tracking these essential metrics will provide valuable insights into how well your affiliate marketing efforts are performing and help you make data-driven decisions to optimize them further. By focusing on improving metrics such as CTR, conversion rate, AOV, EPC, and ROI, you can unlock the secrets of success in affiliate marketing and boost your revenue significantly. Remember that every marketer's journey is unique. Therefore, it's important to continuously test and iterate based on these metrics' results specific to your niche market audience. Now armed with this knowledge about essential metrics, go forth confidently into optimizing conversions like never before.